Wild Pacific.
Welcome to the British Columbia coast, a place where land and sea connect in harmony. Every year, millions of Chinook salmon and steelhead trout migrate up the rivers of the coast to spawn and continue their life cycle. This incredible journey is not just important for the survival of these fish species, but it also supports the lives of other animals along the coast. Animals such as bears rely on the salmon for food and must fatten up before the winter hibernation season. In the fall, they will often focus their efforts on catching as many salmon as possible. Bears rely on the salmon for food and must fatten up before the winter hibernation season. In the fall, they will often focus their efforts on catching as many salmon as possible. However, the salmon and trout migration is not without its challenges. Dams, pollution, and overfishing have all had a significant impact on the populations of these fish. These fish are not the only thing on the coast that migrate. Every year, whales make their way from the Baja Peninsula to the Bering Sea, passing through the waters of the British Columbia coast. The whales bring nutrients to the coast as they feed on plankton, which supports the growth of kelp and other plants. These plants provide a habitat for a wide range of animals, including sea otters and Steller sea lions. Sea otters are a keystone species along the British Columbia coast, playing an important role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. They help maintain the kelp forests by controlling the populations of sea urchins, which feed on kelp. Without sea otters to keep their populations in check, sea urchins can decimate entire kelp forests, causing a ripple effect throughout the ecosystem. In addition to controlling sea urchin populations, sea otters also help to spread nutrients throughout the ecosystem by consuming a wide variety of prey, including clams, mussels, and other small invertebrates as well as fish that feed on kelp. Steller sea lions are the largest of the eared seals, and can be found along the rocky shores of the British Columbia coast. They are social animals and can often be found resting on rocks or swimming in the ocean. Steller sea lions are also an important part of the ecosystem, as they are apex predators and feed on a variety of prey, including fish and squid. Their presence along the coast is an indicator of a healthy ecosystem, as their populations are dependent on a healthy food chain. However, like many species along the British Columbia coast, sea otters and Steller sea lions have also faced challenges in recent years. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change have all had an impact on their populations, and conservation efforts are underway to protect these animals and their habitats. Despite these challenges, the British Columbia coast remains a unique and beautiful place, where land and sea come together in a delicate balance.